So I tried offsite ads for 90 days through Etsy because over the years my shop has relatively gone downhill in terms of sales, and I've been trying to revive it. And if you want to learn more about how my Etsy shop died, I made a video specifically about that and what my strategy was going to be moving forward. And I'll have that video linked up here somewhere that you can watch after this one. But this is just my results trying offsite ads for 90 days. And I'm going to be on my computer so you can follow along and see where you can even access it, where you can see that data, and then also see my results for the past 90 days. And yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and hop on the computer. And I'm going to show you where it is and everything. Okay, so you're just going to navigate to Etsy and then your shop manager. And then from there, you're going to want to go to stats overview and then view detailed stats. Click on that. Well, that doesn't really matter. This is just where you can see your information. So I usually do 30 days, the last 30 days. And this just shows you how many orders you got, conversion rate, how many visits you got. And it's also really helpful to see like how it is compared to the previous year. My bad, I'm getting tongue-tied. And then as you can see, my views went down since last year. So as I said, my shop has been steadily going downhill, trying to revive it. But anyways, I'm just going to show you like a quick overview of this. You can do last 30 days, you can do this month, you can do this year, you can even do last year. You know, you can toggle or you can do custom and then pick from what range you want. So I'm just showing you like a quick tutorial of that, but we're just really interested in like the last 30 days. And then when you scroll down, oh, and then I forgot to mention, you can also toggle this on, and then you can see side by side, like how it compared to the previous year. So that's just something really cool to see. And then these are just your stats. And then you keep just going down, down, down. Down, 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 and it is literally like almost way at the bottom. So traffic and sales from offsite ads. I do want to mention that if you do decide to toggle this on, it is a 15% fee that Etsy takes from your overall sale, which is pretty high. That's why I didn't turn it on for the longest, but as I said, I was trying to generate more sales, which is why I turned this on. But just so that it is 15%. So from here, you're just going to click get your stats. And then I already have it set, but basically it's the same category. I just clicked this year because it includes all 3 months, the 90 days. I am a little short, like 6 days for it to be considered full 90 days, but I don't think it's going to change much from what I'm already seeing now, which is basically I got 14 clicks and 1 order in the past 90 days. So not that great. I'm not gonna lie, not the best. I was hoping for a slightly better outcome, but a sale is a sale. And then when you scroll down, you'll see how much you profited, and then right here it'll show you how much you actually paid Etsy for them bringing in this sale, which again was 15%. So I paid $2.63. So basically minus the $17.50. And then again, it shows you right here as well. It also shows you like where it came from, so Google. And then I don't think it like actually shows you what you actually profited, because it's not showing you like the other fees, because obviously it's not just 15% on top of the 15% that they take. They also take the regular fees that Etsy has, so the transaction, the selling fee, and the shipping fee. And if you want to know more about those fees and the breakdown of them, I have a video of that I will link if you want to check that out to have a more detailed account of those fees. But basically, like, it's not even showing you exactly the profit that you have. It's just kind of showing you a very generic version. It's probably more beneficial to go to your finances and then go to payment account. And then you want to scroll down. Okay, show more activities. I'm trying to find that particular sale. Oh, and here you can see it'll show up on your payment account as well. So here it says from Offsite Ads. And again, as I said, it was 15%. So this is just one fee that they're going to take. So they're still going to take the regular standard fees. So that would be, let's see, so auto renew sold, which is the 20 cents. I didn't get charged the 20 cents because I do have some free listings. So that's why you're not seeing the 20, but you would see the 20 cents here. And then of course the sale fee, processing fee. This is sales tax, which the customer should have paid, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you have transaction fee, and then again, transaction fee, but for shipping. And then you have the fee from the offsite ads. So it is quite a bit of fees. So if I wanted to actually like figure out my profit exactly, I would have to do the calculation. So it would be basically starting off, it would be $18.64 is the full amount that the customer paid, right? So we're starting with $18.64, and now we're just going to minus all the fees. So processing fee, 81 cents. Tax, $1.14. Transaction fee, 98 cents. Shipping fee, 16 cents. Okay. And then lastly is the offsite ads fee, the marketing fee. You're still recording? Yeah. Which is $2.63. So what I actually profited, which it does show right here, is $12.92. I just wanted to be accurate, and I wanted to be sure that that was what it was, but it will also show up here what you actually profited. It also could be complicated if you have several sales, so that's why I kind of did the breakdown too. But yeah, so basically in the other page, so go back to dashboard, view detailed stats, go all the way down to traffic and sales from offsite ads, get your stats, and then go all the way down again. The 1750 is not accurate. Like, I had to do all the calculations, and it wasn't 1750, it was 1292. I think I said it was 1292. So yeah, I mean, I literally made one sale in the past 90 days, which is kind of not that great, you know, but it is a sale that I would have had if it wasn't for the ads. So even though the outcome wasn't as great as I would have wanted, I still think that if you want to generate more sales, it is a good idea to turn this on. Just be wary that it does have a very high marketing fee, so it doesn't come out as a shock when you do see that fee in your account. Okay, so I was trying to see if it's possible to remove this. So I guess there's no way you can remove it from this. I'm trying to figure out like how, in case you do want to not use offsite ads. Okay, so Etsy's not really making it that easy to turn off the offsite ads, which I don't really like. Like, you would think they would make it more simple to do that. Oh, okay, I think I found it. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of how Etsy made that really difficult to find how to turn it off and turn it back on. Not that big of a fan, but if you do want to turn it on, or if you want to turn it off, which it took me a minute to figure that out myself, you would have to go to settings and then click offsite ads, and then it would take you to this page. And then from here, you can click opt out, and then you would be able to turn that off, just as in case you needed to know how to do that. And I'm guessing it's the same. Yeah. So if you want to turn it on, it's the same process. You would have to go to settings, offsite ads, and then turn on offsite ads. Okay. So yeah. So those are my results. I hope that, clarified anything for anyone that was considering doing offsite ads. That's just my personal experience with them. It could be different for you, but as I said, even though mine wasn't the best outcome, I still would recommend, if you are trying to generate sales, just to be wary that it is a 15%. advertising fee that they are taking on top of all the other fees. Yeah, so if this video was helpful or if it helped in your decision whether to use offsite ads, yeah, just leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys later. Bye.